Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, I'm in the same outfit. It's the same day, just a different unboxing. So I just did a mix and match unboxing, my first mix and match, and I will link that up here. And now I have a Trendsend. So I just came off of 2 weeks of travel. I said that in my last video. And I had a couple, actually 3 subscription boxes waiting on me. So I had the Trendsend and mix and match, and then I have a Stitch Fix as well. So I'm gonna film all 3 of those videos in the same clothes, and that's just okay. So, all right, so if you're not familiar with Trendsend, it is a online subscription clothing service, just like Stitch Fix, but you have no styling fee, and they send you 3 complete outfits. So those outfits may be jewelry and a piece of jewelry and pants and a top or a dress or whatever. So 3 complete outfits. You fill out a style profile just like always. The only thing that I don't like about Trendsend is that if you buy multiple pieces, there's no like volume discount, and some of their pieces tend to be a little pricier. But I do think it's fun that they send you 3 outfits. So I don't think I've ever gotten a Trendsend and sent the whole thing back. I think I've always kept at least 1 piece. Now it may only be like a piece of jewelry or something like that, but I think I've kept 1 piece out of every one of my Trendsend. So sometimes they miss the mark, but a lot of times they do. A lot of times they hit the mark, but I'm not paying $300 for a pair of blue jeans. So, you know, whatever. So you get a note from your stylist, from your lady or fella, whatever, and they break the outfits down. So it's like outfit 1, 2, and 3. I'm drinking copious amounts of coffee yesterday to combat my jet lag. So, did I say yesterday? See what I mean? I'm drinking copious amounts of coffee today to combat my jet lag from yesterday. So see, I need even more coffee. I can't even talk right. All right, so our note, happy Trendsend. However, I'm saying, okay, so this is weird. She says, I'm sending you some great looks for work in your cruise. I'm not going on a cruise, so I don't understand that, but whatever. Okay, so it says this box will carry you through the rest of summer and then into fall. Ooh, fun. So I did say, I mean, we still have a lot of summer to go, but I've got plenty enough summer clothes. So I'm like, I would like to start getting some more transition pieces. And that's really what I left in my note. There were a couple of things that I saw on their website. So that's another thing with Trendsend. They have a Evereve as their store. So you can go to the Evereve website and look through the clothes. And if there's something specific that you say, ooh, I want to try that on, you can request that. They don't always have it. Like I requested a Free People top, and she said they didn't have it in stock, so that's okay. And they send you a prepaid envelope, just like Stitch Fix and everything else. So this is my first bundle, and it's very, very light, so it's got to be a dress. Okay, so this says outfit 1, Coco mesh inset dress. So she says, I'm sending you this Allison Joy midi dress. It is very similar to the Michael Stars black midi dress you requested, but different in other ways, such as the sleeve and the neckline. I'm hoping you will love this dress. If not, try it on for size. At least you will know what kind to order in the Michael Stars if you like that one. Okay. Okay. So I'd asked for one of the Michael Stars like midi dresses. I think those are so pretty. I've just been wanting to try one on, and they didn't have it, so she sent me something similar. So this one, it's like a cotton, so it's not like a super dressy material, and it's short sleeved, and it's got this like mesh inset here at the neckline. It's really cute. It's got ruching on the sides, and it's meant to be like down past your knees, so it's meant to be like a midi dress. So I'm anxious to try this on. I think it could be kind of pretty and sexy for a date night. So let's see how much this one is. It is $78. Okay. So my next bundle, cute, looks like that. There's like a white, something I love white. Okay. So this looks like it is going to, ooh, and there's jewelry too. Fun. Okay, so this, let's see if we can find which outfit this is, because it's got a jewelry. Okay, outfit 2. let's see. So this is the 3942 Sasha pendant necklace. Let's open this up. So see, they really do kind of send you complete outfits. Ooh, fun. Okay, so this is like totally different than anything I have. And I kind of dig it. Okay, so it's a long gold. And then the bottom, it's got like a green and gold. Like these little dangly things. Really cute. It's really cute. Okay, so there's that. Put it down here. And that is, see how much that is, the pendant. $24.99. Okay? So she says, I'll just tell you what she says about outfit 2. These will be 2 one and done looks for your cruise in August. I'm not going on a cruise. I don't understand. These Aiden utility trousers are lightweight and easily packed and comfy. Throw them on with the black Ruffle Bobi tank and fun green tassel necklace and some sandals for date night on the boat. For casual activities or just walking around a destination, throw on the Cactus Bobi tie tank and some flip-flops and you'll be set. Okay. So here are, so these are level 99 green army colored trousers. Really cute. And I have some level 99 shorts that I really, really like. So these are $99 on sale. I'm going to have to really, really like those to pay $99 for those. Okay, because I actually have some army green like chinos already. So we'll see. I always try this stuff on, and sometimes the things that I'm like, I would never pay $99 for that. Once I get them on my body, I'm like, I would pay $200. I'm just kidding. Okay, so this is, oh, this is a cute little tank. It's different. So this is the Bobi size small ruffle back tank, $24.99. It's on sale. So there's the front, just a basic little black tank, but the back has little ruffles on it. So that's kind of cute, something different. All right, that's a maybe. Oh, this is adorable. Okay, so this is, it's got Cactus on it. $29.99 Bobi Cactus pocket tie tank. So it's got a pocket on the front, you can see, but the bottom ties over here. It's got like the, you know, like the little hole in the ties. That's really cute. Really cute. And I don't have anything like that either. It's very different. Okay. All right. So that's that for that outfit, or that bundle, I should say. So I'm going to put all this back in here and then with the tassel necklace. Okay. All right. And then the last one, this is a thick one too. So let's see. So see, you don't get, there's no limit to pieces with Trendsend. Like they just send you outfits. And I've gotten a lot of times like 1 pair of pants and 2 tops. So really it's like getting 2 outfits sometimes in one bundle. So a lot of times you get even more than 3 outfits. So outfit 3 says, so I noticed you requested some business, guys, I cannot talk, business casual looks as well. Therefore, I'm sending you these great dark wash, classy, cropped, cut from the cloth denim that can be worn up, dressed up or down. I'm hoping you will love them. I also noticed you like colorful tops, which I do. So to pair this denim, throw on the Sanctuary floral top with the denim and some flats, and you'll be set for work. Another work look is this Braeve palm tank with blazer and denim. 2 one and dones and easy for work. Okay, let's see what we got. Cute. I do love me some cut from the cloth denim. So I have some cut from the cloth. I have my denim jacket that I got from Trendsend is cut from the cloth, and I stinking love it. I wear it all the time. So these are the cut from the cloth Lauren Crop straight leg. Okay, so my only issue is they're cropped, and they're $68.99. So I have really short legs. Hold on, my son's, yeah. Okay, tell her I'll call her back in just a second.
She'll call you back in a second. Just tell her that I'm going to eat breakfast and then come down there and take my short before I go out on my day. Okay.
Tell her that's fine, I heard her.
She said that's fine.
Okay. Sorry guys. It's a mommy channel. That's real life. Okay. So yeah, what I was saying was crops. I have really short legs, and most of the time crops look redonkulous on me. So we'll see. We'll see. All right, so this, ooh, this is pretty. Okay, so this is a the Braeve, it's $29.99, so a good price. Dacey Palm Tank Extra Small, green. So there's that. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. That would be so pretty with like a black blazer and just some jeans. Like that would look really, really good. Okay, so that's really cute. Really like that. Okay, so this is the last one. This is, ooh, fun. Okay, so this is the Sanctuary, and I do like my shorts that I have on today are Sanctuary actually. I have 2 pairs of Sanctuary shorts. If you've never tried the Sanctuary, these like this, ooh, God, that chair. These army green like shorts. If you've never tried those, definitely recommend. They are fantastic. I liked them so much. I bought 2 pair. I know that's crazy, and they are the same color. Seriously, I have 2 pair of shorts, almost the same. They're not quite identical, but they're almost the same. Okay, I'm rambling. Sanctuary. Gilligan wrap top, and this one's on sale I think that's $54.99. But that is so cute, and it's got like a little, like it gathers here, and it's got like the bell sleeves, which I don't have anything like that. That is so cute. Okay, yeesh, I really like that. All right, so that's all for the unboxing. So I'm gonna do a try on for you guys, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back with the first one, and I didn't go in order of outfits. This was the last one I pulled out of the box. So these are the Sanctuary Crop. I said Sanctuary, hold on. These are the cut from the Kloth Lauren Crop, and this is the Braeve Palm Tank. And this is what happens when you have these subscription boxes. You open something up and you're like, I probably won't like that. Then you try it on and you're like, yeah, I really like that. This is what's happened with these jeans. Okay, so here we have the cut from the Kloth cropped jeans. Now, let me guys show you the length, and you tell me. So, can you see that? The chair's kind of dark, but here's the length. They're actually really cute, and I like the length. This is the palm tank with it, which is cute. I like it. I don't know that I'm like over the top in love with it, but I do like it. So I'll show you guys kind of close up. It's very pretty. It's very flowy. I think if you put on a black blazer with this, it would be really, really cute. So there is that one. I'll be right back with the wrap top with these jeans. Okay, so here's the wrap top. I'm on the fence. I like it. It's a little low. I would have to wear something, like if I was gonna wear this for work, I would have to put something on, and I don't know how that would look, but I really like the sleeves. I was afraid they were gonna be too long, but they're actually really cool, and I don't think they would get in my way. It's got kind of an elastic waist, so it's not huge. It kind of is a little bit flattering, but I love the print. I love the colors. I love colorful tops. So what do you guys think about this? Do you like it? I mean, I think it's pretty. I just don't know what I would put under it here. But let me know what you guys think, and I'll be right back with the next one. Okay guys, so I'm back with the first, or this outfit 2, which is the Ruffle back tank and the level 99 trousers. So here's the Ruffle back tank. I really like this one, and I love it with the necklace. So I put the pendant necklace on. Let me show you guys these pants. Okay, I like them, but let me show you this. Seriously, like these, I don't know if they're size wrong or what, but they are like, I would seriously have to go down like 2 sizes in these bad boys because they are just like way too big. They're really comfortable, but they're a little big. So here's the back with the ruffle tank. And again, I don't have on the right bra, but yeah, it's really cute. It's super comfortable, and I love it with the green and the pendant. I already have some green chinos from Loft that I love, so I could totally see wearing this together. I think it's different. I've got some black tanks, but I don't have any that have, you know, any cute detailing or anything. So let me go and try on that cute little Cactus tank, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the Cactus tank, And it's got the little tie right here. I don't know if you can see, but up close it's got little green like cactuses on it. Really cute. I think it's cute with these pants. Again, I would just wear the light green chinos that I have with it. But it's really cute. I like it a lot. It's different. I don't have anything that has this little print on it. And it is the Bobi Cactus Pocket Tie Tank. So it's got a little pocket right here. It fits really good. I like it. I think it's really cute. Okay, I've got to try on the dress. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here is the Allison Joy Coco Mesh Inset dress. So yeah, I like this. I mean, I knew it was gonna be snug. I knew it was gonna be tight. I mean, it fits. I knew it was gonna be a little bit tight, but what do you guys think? I mean, is it too, like, I don't know. It's got the ruching on the side, which is super flattering. I love anything with ruching. I think it's just like, even if you have a little pudge like I do right there, it really kind of hides that. And I love that it's ruched like all the way down the hips. Like, I really like it. I think it's really pretty. So let me stand up here. It's tight at the bottom. Okay, so here is the length and what it looks like full length. So probably wear some, you know, some heels with it. I actually think it's really sexy. I think it's really pretty, and I don't know, I would probably feel pretty comfortable in it. I don't have anything like this at all, and I don't have anything this length. And I think this length can be super flattering, especially if you have on heels. So yeah, I kind of like it. I think it's expensive though, $78. But again, I mean, it's got this really pretty like mesh, like cutout detail, but the fabric is cotton. So it's not like a super like dressy fabric, if that makes any sense. And she actually says throw on a denim jacket and some pumps for date night, or some sneakers for casual kids activities. Dude, I'm sorry, but there is no way in Hades that I would wear this for like a kids activity. Like, no way. Now, the denim jacket and pumps, totally for date night. Like, absolutely, this would definitely be a date night dress. But like, I can't envision myself putting on like Chucks and going to take my kid to the park in this. Like, I think people would probably be like, what the hell is she doing? But anyway, so yeah, let me know what you guys think. That's it for the Trendsend. I'm not gonna do a recap just because I've already told you guys all the prices and like, you know, what everything is. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you think I should keep anything, what you think I should keep. And I will see you guys in my next one. Have a good day. Bye.